The pathlib module in Python provides an object-oriented approach to handling file system paths. It simplifies path manipulations and is a powerful tool for directory management. In this video, we will give some simple examples of how to use the pathlib module in practice. First, let's introduce some basic use cases of the pathlib module. The main class we will use is path, which can represent files or directories. We can pass the path to a file or folder to the path class to create a path object, which will then be used to perform various path operations. As shown here, we can use it to check if a folder exists or not, and also use it to create or delete a folder. We will introduce other use cases of the path object a bit later. In the previous example, we can only delete a folder when it's empty with the rmdir method. To remove a directory and all its contents, we need to use rmtree function from the util module. We can use the path object to create nested directories by setting parents to true, which is equivalent to the mkdir-p command in Linux. A very important function of the path object is to list directory contents. We can use the iterator method to iterate over all the files and subfolders in the specified path. More usefully, we can iterate over all the files matching a pattern with the glob method. In some cases, we may need to find files recursively in the subfolders as well, which can be done with the rglob method. Finally, we can use a path object to navigate to parent and sibling paths easily. A common use case is to navigate to the sibling folder and read some data from there. We need to first get the path of the parent directory with the parent property and use it to join to the sibling folder with the joinPath method. This is especially useful when you need to fetch some settings data for your application folder, which is normally saved in a different folder. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.